Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking to you guys about how to get a nice high gloss shine on your wheels and tires. Especially with the Steelies, if you got a nice high gloss shine, it helps bring the wheels out, make the car look that much better. Let you guys get a glance of what I've done already. Now this is on the Crown Vic, but it will work on any other wheels and tires that you have. You got a nice shine, high shine. And it also has a little bit to do with what kind of tire you have. As you can see, this one has a lot of grooves in it, which helps the sun reflect off the tire along with the shine mixed in, however you want to put that. So basically, definitely have to have the car washed and clean, or at least the wheels and tires at least. Make sure you scrub them really good. Brush, I use a sponge, not just any sponge though. It's like I have to show it to you guys. It's not like a regular sponge though. Alright, so what you want to do, like I said, scrub them real good with your brush or whatever you use to clean your wheels with. Make sure you scrub the tires. Do the rim also, because you're going to have brake dust caked up. Clean the center cap. I usually clean the center cap twice. Once when I clean the wheels, and also I go over the center cap one more time as I'm washing the car. That helps get any extra dirt that was on there after I rinse the wheels off or whatever. Make sure you wash the wheels by themselves. I usually start the wheels first, then I do the body of the car. But start the wheels first, that way you can take your time and focus on cleaning the wheels first, and then you'll be able to make sure you got it done right. Alright, after that, I don't dry them off. If you want to, you can. I just let everything air dry, and then I find the I use a tire shine that I picked out. Now I use the Extreme Tire Shine, Armor All. It's in the black bottle. I'll show you guys that real quick. You can use whatever kind you want, but this kind seems to work pretty good, as you can see. So this is the shine that I use. Now this is not a sponsored video, so don't think that it is, but this is a great product, Extreme Tire Shine. They do sell this in the like the squeeze bottle, but you have to get your hands dirty. You got to get another sponge out to rub it on the wheels, and you know, just a lot extra going on. Now if you're not driving your car that much, then I would go with the that kind of gel kind that comes in the squeeze bottle. But if you plan on driving your car a lot like I do, you just want to be able to wash it real quick and spray this on and go from there. Now a lot of people may spray the tire shine on either while they're at the car wash or while they're, you know, about to head out, you know, go to work or whatever. But what I do is I wash it real good, clean it up, let it air dry, then I turn around and spray this on there. Now after I get done, I let it sit for about 2 or 3 hours. I don't drive the car. Once I park it, then I spray this on. It's going to sit for at least 2 or 3 hours. That way that shine can go ahead and just settle into the tires and the rims, and you don't have to worry about it flying up on the car. Let me show you. There's a lot of tire shines will fly back up on the car. As you notice, the bumper don't really have any, you know, residue from shine on there. Now I do spray the rim. As you can see, it's probably, you see, so I do spray the rim also, and like I said, just let it sit. Now if you want a super high gloss, you spray the rim, and you might do it twice, and then you come back clean that part off, the chrome hubcap. That'll make it stand out more and also help bring out the shine more. So that is one of my car cleaning tips for you guys. If you want to use it, use it. If not, hey, at least you know about it. Any more car cleaning tips you guys need to know, just leave it down in the comment below and I'll help you guys out. If you haven't, look at the video that I did on the engine bay where I cleaned it. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out of here.